Mr. Zeri here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the brain. Okay, the brain, right? 3 pounds of jelly that controls your thinking, feelings, movement, breathing, digestion, circulation, and much more. It's made up of three major parts that are highly interconnected and dependent on each other. Each part has its own primary set of functions. And so in this video, we're going to go over the three major parts and we're going to talk about those functions. So our first part is the cerebrum. Cerebrum takes up about 80% of your brain and it sits up front and center. It's made up of four major lobes and is divided into two halves, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. The main functions of the cerebrum include interpreting sensations like vision, hearing, touch, and smell. It controls your feelings and emotions, your thinking, your problem solving, and how you adapt your behavior. It's responsible for learning and remembering, understanding and using language, perceiving the space around us, and body movement. So lots of stuff from the cerebrum. Our next part is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is tucked away under the cerebrum at the back of your head. It accounts for about 11% of your brain and is packed with neurons. Neurons are brain cells with interconnecting branches that pass along nerve signals. The functions of the cerebellum include learning, coordinating movement and balance, fine-tuning thoughts, emotions, touch, and other senses. The cerebellum also helps automate movements so you can do things like type quickly and accurately learn or move dance moves. Our next part is the brainstem. The brainstem runs from under the cerebellum to the spinal cord. It controls all the body's automatic functions. The functions of the brainstem, which is the oldest part of the brain, are essential to maintaining life. They're responsible for breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and body temperature. So that's it, guys. That's our video on the three major parts of the brain.